Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about the 10 hidden features of Amazfit Active 2 Square. Now because this watch is running on Zepp OS 5, it has some extra features as compared to the Active 2 Round, which is still running on Zepp OS 4.5. And I'll be sharing my favorite features later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. The first feature that I want to talk about is tap to wake feature. So if you go in settings, go in display, scroll down, you will see this feature called tap to wake. So if you go in here, now you can wake the screen up with a single tap or a double tap. By default, this setting is turned off. Right now, single tap is selected. Let's go ahead and test this. So here you can see that the display has turned off and always on display has been activated. So if I'll tap on it, it will turn on. You can do the same with the double tap. So if you go in display, scroll down, tap to wake, you select double tap, it will also give you a battery life warning because this will consume more battery. So that is something that you need to be okay with if you want to use this feature. So if we select double tap, go back, and I'll double tap and the display will turn on. If you tap this button, this will take you to the app drawer and you can see all of these apps. But there's also a theme function on this watch and you can change the theme of how these apps look. So for that, we'll go in settings, go in display, scroll down and go in theme style. And from here, you can select between 3 different theme styles. So this is the default version. You can go with business or vibrant. So we'll select this one. Now, when we'll go back, we'll have a totally different theme. By default, the screen on time on this watch is 30 seconds, meaning after 30 seconds, the display will turn off. But once in a while, you need the display to stay turned on for longer than 30 seconds. And you can do that too. So if you swipe down, tap on this button here, this will tell you the watch screen will stay lit, which reduces battery life. But from here, you can select from 5 minutes all the way up to 20 minutes of screen on time. So if you select 20 minutes, go back. Now this display will stay turned on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this feature will turn off, meaning it will reset to the 30-second screen on time. This can come in really handy when you are using a specific app like timer or stopwatch or something like that, where you want the screen to stay turned on for longer than maximum 30 seconds, which is the screen on time. So if you go in display, screen on duration, you get from 5 seconds to all the way 30 seconds, which in some instances may not be enough. If you're walking or running at night, you need this next feature. So go in settings, go in workout, and then go in night safety light, turn this on. Now this will tell you that when starting outdoor activities after sunset, the watch will use screen flashing instead of screen off mode. Enabling this feature will significantly reduce the device's standby time. Do you want to enable it? Yes. So from here you can also select the color. Right now it's red. You can select the screen on duration and then you can also preview it. So this is how it will show up when you are running or walking at night outside. So this is a safety feature so that the oncoming traffic knows that you're there. If you want to secure your watch in case you forget it somewhere, you lose it or something like that, you can do that as well because there is a pin code feature on this watch. So go in settings, go in preferences and go in off wrist lock. From here, turn it on. This will ask you to select a pin. And now, as soon as the watch detects that you have taken the watch off, the display will lock itself, the watch will lock itself. So right now, as I'm not wearing the watch, it has locked itself. I need to put in the password. So let's test this, actually, how good it is at detecting that I have taken the watch off. So right now, I'm wearing the watch. All the features are working just fine. Right, so now I'll take it off and we'll see how quickly it locks. And there you go. Within a couple of seconds, it has locked itself and now we need to add in the password to unlock the watch. If you go in settings, go in preferences and scroll all the way down, you will see this option called wearing direction. So if you go in here, you will see two options, buttons on the left and buttons on the right. So right now, buttons on the right is selected, which means if I wear it on my left wrist, buttons will be on the outside or on the right. But let's say I want to wear it on my right wrist and I still want the buttons to be on the outside. In that case, I can select buttons on the left option and that will rotate the display for me, and now I can wear it on my right wrist as well. So that's a really fantastic feature from Amazfit. This, however, does not change the functionality of the buttons, which means now this button will take you to the app drawer, and this will be the shortcut button that takes you to settings. If you're wearing gloves and you want to use the display of this watch, you can do that too. And there is a specific setting for this now. So go in settings, go in preferences, scroll all the way down. You will see glove mode. Go in here and enable it. You can tap on this question mark and read more about it. So it tells you, after turning on the glove mode, the device's touch screen will be more sensitive to ensure that gloves with a thickness of less than 2 mm can use the touch screen normally. So right now I don't have gloves, but I certainly have this hoodie, and I'm gonna try to use it with this, and it works exceptionally well. Did you know that you can also do voice recording on Amazfit Active 2 Square, and your voice recordings will also sync with your phone automatically? So go in settings, look for the app voice memos. There it is. Now I'll tap on it and I'll start recording, and it will just record, and then I'll stop. So this recording is available right here, but if I go in the Zepp app on my phone and scroll down, I'll see this app. There it is. So I'll tap on it, and you will see that I have this latest recording available, which I have just done now. I'll select transfer, select it, and transfer to phone. And there you go. Now it is available on my phone as well. You can also connect Bluetooth headphones with this watch. So for that, we will go in the music app, scroll down, you will see this option, Bluetooth audio, tap on it, go in headphones, and it will start searching for headphones. So here I've got my Sony headphones. I will turn them on and in pairing mode. So now my headphones are in pairing mode, and you can see that they have appeared on the watch as well. So I'll tap here, and this will connect with my headphones, and now I can listen to the music through my watch on my Bluetooth headphones. And now I want to talk about my favorite feature that they have added on Zepp OS 5, which is not available on the round Amazfit Active 2, and that is the night display. So if you scroll down, scroll to the left, you will see this new option here. If you tap on it, everything will turn red. So this is the new night display, and I absolutely love it. So right now, let's turn this off. And if I go in settings, go in display, go all the way down, you will see this option, night display. Go in here. So once again, you can turn it on from here as well. You can also change the color to red, orange, or green, which is crazy. And then you can also select it to be turned on by scheduling it. So if you schedule it, you can select the start time, the end time, and that's it. Now it has been scheduled, and it will turn on automatically every day at your scheduled time. And the reason I like it is because when I compare it with something like Galaxy Watch Ultra, which also has this night mode, but it is only supported by a few watch faces. It is not system wide. So there's the night mode on Galaxy Watch Ultra, and there's a night mode on Amazfit Active 2 Square. But if I do anything else, there is no night mode or no night light on Galaxy Watch Ultra, but this one is system wide and really helpful to use the watch at night. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were the 10 hidden features on Amazfit Active 2 Square. I hope you've liked it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.